What is up, guys? Ivan here from getivan.com, and the question for today is, do I need SEO Autopilot software? So I originally answered this type of question over on Quora, and I spent quite a bit of time answering the question and making lists and so on and so forth. And so I decided to turn this into a blog post and basically just reiterate what I told folks on Quora and also throw in a few of my own words in a video here for my YouTube channel and so on and so forth. So the short answer is I would not recommend it. The shorter answer, I guess you could say maybe there's some benefit, but my recommendation is no, don't waste your time. There's tens of thousands of dollars to be spent in this space on SEO tools and courses and guides and tools that independent vendors are creating for very specific processes. And in some cases, yeah, there's some value there, but in a lot of cases, like I've bought some tools for say $500 for a tool, and then I get into the back end and realize, this tool is trying to cut corners on a process that you really can't cut corners on if you want to do a good job, if you want to create a high quality product or a high quality end result. And so that's something you have to be aware of also. There are some things that I do recommend, like Scrapebox. I think Scrapebox is fantastic. I have a section in my membership specifically talking about things you can do with Scrapebox. And so there are some exceptions, but I would spend no more than $100 on any given tool. And I would say you can get some decent things for $50 to $100. And most things that are particularly useful are free. And so I just would not recommend anyone who is paying attention to anything I'm saying, whether you're in my membership or you're a past client or you're looking to see what I have to offer you for the future or whatever. Just don't waste your time with tricks. There are some neat little things that you can learn about, in any given thing, but the power of pretty much anything you're looking into is going to be in your practice of that thing. So when it comes to SEO, you need to be building content, you need to be organized, you need to be building a brand alongside whatever you're doing SEO for, and you will find success. So it's pretty simple. If you want to learn more about healthy SEO practices and everything that I teach, check out the links below this video, and that is pretty much it. Don't waste your time on automated SEO tools because most of them are just going to be a waste of your time and your money. Thanks. Bye-bye.